the 1.8k Rover or Land Rover engine from the Freelander. If you come to the back, obviously the gearbox is here. I've had to take my engine out because it's blown, so I'm just making a few videos to try and make some money back on this waste of money Freelander that I bought. Your crankshaft position sensor is there. It is a 7mm bolt. Obviously you're going to struggle to get here with the engine fitted, but it shouldn't be too hard. Obviously undo it all the way. I'll come back in a minute. So there you go, bolts out, crankshaft position sensor, slots out, your new one should just push in, easy. Okay, that's it.